It's an honor and pleasure to be with all of you today. When I agreed to do this, I did not know I was going to go after Dr. Karp. I wish I was last, not second. But having said that, I'm really honored to be with you today and looking to share with you what we are doing at AARP using the Palantir platform, and also looking to connect with you and learn from you throughout the day here today. So let's jump into it. At AARP, we are an organization of about 37 million members, but we're first and foremost a social mission organization. So our mission is to help people choose how they live as their age, and we advocate in areas like health, finance, and fun. AARP can be fun too, for those of you who know about us a little bit. So the challenges that we have is that we're running, just like most of you, multi-channel, omni-channel, whichever channel kind of communication paradigm you want to use in terms of reaching our customers, reaching our members, helping them fulfill the mission that we have at AARP, and really share the value that we have with our customers on an everyday basis. So whether that's on the web, whether it's through email, whether it's through our publication. Our magazine is the largest circulating magazine in the United States, going to 23 million households 6 times a year. So we've got a lot of data. We have a lot of information about our members. We have a lot of members. We have over 3+ billion touch points on a digital ecosystem to manage. And how do we do that? It's really hard to make these decisions in real time using the current platforms or the platforms we used to have. How do we evaluate the value of our campaigns? How do we evaluate the value of our customers? How do we make sure we're giving them the right value in the right moments that we are engaging with them? And that's the expectation. You have all of those expectations from the brands you do business with every single day. So how do we predict? How do we understand what context you have? Where are you in the life cycle of your relationship with AARP? And hence, leveraging the Palantir platform has been really terrific for us. So we've ingested a lot of data from across our enterprise, whether it's marketing data, whether it's data about our value. So we've taken our value and we've attached metadata to it so that we can allow models and AI to actually generate value irrespective of channel, and we can manifest it at the channel on a regular basis. It's one thing to have data, it's one thing to have insight, but can you act on those insights at that touch point in the moment that the customer is actually engaging with you? And we've got to make those decisions in, I guess, milliseconds. We used to have 6 weeks to make those decisions when we talk about how we did that 10 years ago. Now we've got to make those decisions in milliseconds. So Foundry and AARP have been terrific for us. We actually launched the first prototype within 45 days. And that was just amazing from my perspective. So before Palantir, if you came, this is one example, if you came to our member benefits channel on our website, all of you would get exactly the same benefits and exactly the same experience, right? So mapping our data, taking all those touch points, we actually feed Palantir all our clickstream data every single day in real time. So a click on our website, a click on our app, a click on an email, irrespective of what the engagement is actually fed into the channel and then produces targeted, personalized experiences for every single one of our members across 29 million unique visitors on a monthly basis, for example, in our app. But we're doing this in every digital ecosystem. And the data and the ability to actually react to it and make business decisions has really transformed how we think about marketing and communication and how we fulfill the mission at AARP. And the ability to make decisions in real time is really the critical piece. Our ability to create digital twins that simulate the business that we're in terms of how we serve the social mission of the organization and make decisions in real time is what the platform brings to us. So leveraging also AARP, we're looking to change how we go through a renewal cycle, understanding where you are in your relationship with AARP and delivering that right slice of AARP in the right moment to help us fulfill the mission and deliver value to you as a member, but also broaden your relationship with AARP so that you understand the other things that we bring on a daily basis to help you live the best life. So what is it that we're looking to do? So we're looking to move from a highly static, we run a model, we score our database, we execute, we wait 6 months to see what happens, and then we collate a lot of information, we argue amongst ourselves, to moving towards a much more dynamic, empowered workforce that can see the risks, they can see the challenges, better understand what our consumers are interested in, and deliver that right slice of AARP to our membership base and our audience, and also better understand the gaps that we have in our value proposition and try to make those decisions in real time. So better optimize and automate the work that we do and how we do it, because as a not-for-profit organization, every dollar counts, and how we spend our dollars on behalf of our members and our audience is really critical. So automation and optimization of how we execute and then deliver that right value to the customer in the right moments. And with that, I thank you for your attention and time and look forward to connecting with you. Thank you very much.